Welcome to DeChain Daily News. We share the best news stories of the day to keep you informed of cryptocurrency and blockchain related headlines and events. Today is June the 30th, 2022. Today's headlines: number 1, Coinbase looks to expand its European presence. Number 2, CFTC charges Bitcoin Club MTI with $1.7 billion of fraud. Number 3, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust discount increases after the denial. Number 4, new Spot Bitcoin ETF is launched at Euronext Amsterdam exchange. And finally, number 5, Facebook is testing Ethereum and Polygon NFTs on profiles. Coinbase looks to expand its European presence. The North American crypto exchange is in the process of registering in Spain, Italy, France, and the Netherlands. The exchange currently operates in the UK, Ireland, and Germany. Though Coinbase fired 1,000 workers in North America, the company recently hired its first employee in Switzerland. Coinbase is also said to be pursuing acquisition opportunities in Europe to expand their base. The company tried to extend its operations into India, but experienced a major obstruction as UPI deposits were not permitted in India. Both Binance and FTX, competitors of Coinbase, have licenses to operate in the Middle East. Binance also has a license to operate in Italy and France. The CFTC charges South African Bitcoin Club Mirror Trading International with $1.7 billion of fraud. The U.S. commodities regulator charged South Africa-based Bitcoin pool operator Mirror Trading International with $1.7 billion of fraud, alleging the global multilevel marketing scheme misappropriated all of the Bitcoin it amassed. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission, the CFTC, described the case as the largest ever fraud scheme involving Bitcoin. Cornelius Johannes Steinberg, the group's key figure, received 29,421 Bitcoin from 23,000 Americans and even more throughout the world for this unlicensed commodity pool scheme. MTI has 60,000 members around the world and held 23,000 Bitcoin. Participants thought they were investing their Bitcoin in an algorithmic trading pool that grew their investments by 10% per month. Steinberg is said to have lied about the existence of trading bots, and he never made a single trade on the members' behalf, and also sent out fake statements to members. Steinberg was recently detained in Brazil on an Interpol warrant. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust saw the discount to Bitcoin increase after the SEC denial. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust has seen its price trade at a discount to BTC due to lockdown periods and fees. That discount grew to 35% after the SEC denied the company's request to transition their pool or their trust into a Spot Bitcoin ETF. The SEC officially rejected the request on Wednesday. The company, Grayscale, followed with a lawsuit to sue the SEC. Grayscale is the largest crypto asset manager in the world with $12.9 billion in assets under management. A new Spot Bitcoin ETF launched at Euronext Amsterdam exchange. The Dutch stock exchange is preparing to launch its first Bitcoin ETF in July. Jacobi Asset Management, a London-based digital asset management platform, will launch its Jacobi Bitcoin ETF on Euronext Amsterdam. This will be the first Spot Bitcoin ETF launched in Europe. CEO Jamie Kershid said, "Our product is the first spot or physical-backed Bitcoin fund, and the fund is not allowed to lend, stake, or leverage any assets of its own." Jacobi received approval from the Guernsey Financial Services Commission to launch the Bitcoin ETF back in October of 2021. Custodial services for the Spot Bitcoin ETF will be provided by Fidelity's crypto arm, Fidelity Digital Asset, and both Flow Traders and DRW will serve as market makers to support trading. Our final story is on Facebook. Facebook is testing Ethereum and Polygon NFTs on profiles. If successful, this will lead to users being able to connect their crypto wallets to the social platform. According to Meta product manager Navdeep Singh, users will have a digital collectibles tab on their Facebook profiles where they can showcase their NFTs, which are unique blockchain tokens that signify ownership. This will also allow users to turn their NFTs into Facebook posts, allowing them to be liked and commented on. The company already has allowed some creators to add NFTs to their Instagram profiles, so this is a clear sign that Meta wants to be the home base for the Web3 community. Thank you guys so much for watching tonight's show. Please hit the subscribe button and join us again tomorrow. Take care.